Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hello my friends, and welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. For today's video, we're checking out this dog toy. So this is a 2-pack. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's got little teeth inside there. It is semi-squeezable. Definitely has a very interesting smell. It smells like mint essential oil. That is interesting. So, yeah, the dog would bite at it. You also have another ball as well. Both are rubber, both are flexible. All right, let's go ahead and see if our dog will play with it. Ready, set, 1, 2, 3. Good girl, yay, Emma! Get him, Emma. Get him. Ready,